I am not an accountant, but I'm going to be telling you guys how I turn basically every vacation that I take into a business expense. So step one, you have to legitimately have a business. Step two, figure out something to do business related on that trip. So for me, anytime I'm traveling, I am always Insta storing, I'm always creating reels, I'm always getting photos. If you are creating content that you're going to use for your business, or you are networking or having business meetings with people on your vacation, all of those things justify the entire trip as a business expense. Now, the most important part is that you want to keep really good track of everything during this trip. So you want to make note of all the lunches that you have and what you talked about. If you talked about business things, if you met up with people to do networking events, make sure you take note of that.
Let me tell you how to legally write off your vacations. I'm a certified public accountant and I help business owners just like her play the IRS game just like wealthy people do. So let me tell you how to actually be able to write this off legally on your taxes. What the IRS is going to look for is for a profit motive. So that means that if you're traveling to New York City to create one reel just because you think that's going to get you more followers, you're going to have to prove to the IRS that there was a profit motive. Doesn't have to happen today, but in the future. Number two, if you're traveling inside of the United States, the majority of your travel needs to be for business. There's this little tip we like to call the sandwich approach, and let me show you how it works. Let's say you have to travel to New York City, you're a real estate investor, and you need to meet with attorneys and you have networking events. So you fly in Thursday. Awesome. You fly first class because absolutely I'm not flying Southwest, right? So you fly first class, and Friday you do your meetings all day. You meet with attorneys, you meet with other real estate investors, you attend a conference Friday. But Saturday and Sunday you spend it with your spouse, sightseeing, being a tourist in New York City. And then again, Monday, you have additional business meetings. Here's how you can write that off. Your full travel is 100% a business deduction as travel. The travel for your spouse, no. The hotel, yes. The 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, anything that happened between those 2 days are not a write off. Here's another tip. If your spouse is actually on the board of directors of your company and they actually help you be a better business owner, which, I mean, if you're not marrying someone who's supporting your business, that's an issue. But you should add them to your board of directors so they can actually provide value to the business. Maybe they're even employees in the business. You can actually then write off their travel as well as a business expense.